Hi guys, this is Abdul Salim from Jisan Academy. Today we are going to see while loop in JavaScript. We will go to the Sublime Editor. The title tag will go for JavaScript while loop. In the body section, I will go for h1 tag, h1, and we will give the content here. I am giving Jisan Academy. Close this h1 tag. We will go for h2 tag. Here we will give JavaScript. JavaScript while loop, and close the h2 tag. After that we will go for paragraph p id equal to double quotes demo. Close this, and you have to close the paragraph tag. Then we will write a script for the while loop. The script type equal to double quotes text by JavaScript. Then here in between this script tag we will go for one variable. You can give any variable where result res equal to double quotes and double quotes here, give semicolon to close the line. Then we will go for one more variable where I equal to, we will start with 0, then semicolon. Now we will go for while loop. While open bracket and close bracket, in between that bracket we will go for I is less than 10. That means it has to run the loop for 10 times, starting from 0 to it will be up to 9. You have to go for the curly braces, open and close curly braces. In between the curly braces, we will go for result plus equal to, then we will go for double quotes. In between the double quotes, we will go for BR for coming to next line, plus I. The value of I, it will be 0 first time. Then we will keep on incrementing the value of I. We have to give I plus plus, give semicolon here. Next time it will be 2, then 3, 4, like that it will be up to 9 times. After that we will go for the output. Document dot get element, E should be in capital letter, get element by B should be capital letter, ID, I should be capital letter, open bracket, double quotes. In between the double quotes you have to give the name of this paragraph. The name of this paragraph is demo. You can give any name here. Whatever the name you are giving here, it has to be here. The same name you have to write it here. I am giving demo here. After that, after the close bracket, you have to go for inner HTML. HTML should be in capital letter, equal to, you have to give res result. then you have to close the line by semicolon. After that you have to close the script, and you have to close the body tag, then you have to close the HTML tag. Now we will save the file. Go to File, Save. We'll go to the browser. Here hello.html. We'll refresh the browser. Now you can see that we got Jisan Academy H1 tag. This is the H2 tag, and here we got the while loop. This is starting from 0, we are getting up to 9. Now we will see one more example. We will go for reverse number from 9 to 0. For that we will go to the Sublime editor. Here we will give the variable I equal to 9. We will start with 9. Then we will go for I is greater than, we will give it here greater than -1. That means we will get it up to 0. Now here it has to be, instead of incrementing, you have to give decrement. Make it I minus minus. Now go to File, save the file. We will refresh the browser. Yeah, we will refresh it here. Now you can see now we got it from 9 to 0. It's in decrement order. Like this you can go for while loop in JavaScript. Hope you understood this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.